Alrighty guys, welcome back to some more Clash of Clans. How you doing? Hope all is well. Alright, yo, none. Look, I know it's been a minute. Alright, we ain't gonna talk about it. But I'm back. We got Vamp Stash. What? Yo, so new in the game, a giant arrow unlocked. Okay. So new in Clash of Clans, you have a Blacksmith. And the Blacksmith lets you power up your heroes. And then now you can upgrade them and all of this now. And it's like, what? There's a lot going on. How much of them? Oh, I have. Wow, okay. Giant arrow upgraded to level 2. Okay. What is this? Upgrade 2000. Do it. Archer couple upgrade to, okay. Now how do I get all this stuff? I don't know. It's all new to me. Collect my resources, do some yard work. Gotta keep my yard clean. I do have a lot of holiday stuff out here. We do have this stuff too. Which I don't even know. I don't even know. Collect that. What's up with here? Oh, you know what? Can I upgrade you, buddy? 3 million. Yo, look at my coins. Look at that number. 1,666,201 coins. What a number. Let's change that. Like, I don't know how loud that audio is actually gonna be. Though we're making our way in. Oh, I should have saved that spell. I couldn't come in on the town hall. We got 58% though. Yo, let's do it. Get it. Yeah. Alright, looks like we're gonna get 66%. 583 elixir. What we get? Okay. 350 cookie medals. Okay, so that's how you get for this stuff over here. Now I'm at 600. This deal ends in 3 days. Yeah, I'm gonna wait, yo. Clan house walls, I mean, those are pretty dope. Clan house roof. Builder, what is this? Smashing this fragile jar full of stars instantly makes your star bonus available in builder base. Okay. Yeah, there's a bunch of stuff in there. It's like, I feel like I could take a break from Clash, come back, and just know that something new is going to be up in there. Now, I kind of want to attack from this way and get all the dude's money. We'll go ahead and just... Oh! My recording settings got slid off the screen. I had to bring those back. That brought me off focus. Come on, get that eagle artillery. Get that artillery, guys. Oh, there was some dark elixir, whatever elixir that was. Yo, man, it's got the clan castle. Oh, we had dragons alive over here. I'll take it. %, 1 star. Oh, sweet elixir. Okay. I see what's going on now. Glowy ores, that's where they come from. I see. My next one is going to be 1,300 shiny ores. That's what you need to use up in here. Vamp stash. Might as well just go ahead and upgrade that. Dang, upgrade that for sure. What's the one I have equipped right now? What is this? Alright, walks up in there. Does it keep happening? Does it keep spawning more in? Dang, he really does, though. I kind of like that. Oh, and then they have these actual abilities they can learn. What's this one do? Oh, they tell you what I have equipped. Okay, never mind. So these up here are what's equipped. There's just so much. Welcome back to the world of Clash of Clans. Hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know down in the comments if y'all still play Clash of Clans and what do you think of the state of the game. And yeah, I'm the laziest attacker. I know I use my dragons, but it is what it is. They get the job done. I know I'm not thorough, but it's just a game in the long run. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys have a great day. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.